For Architectural Design 1 course, each student has to design a residence for teachers. The building is located in a context characterized by a plaza, bordered by house for artists, residence for teachers, and a cultural center. In the southeast border of the plaza, passing a pedestrian street, there's a row of vertical buildings, residence for teachers, grouped in pairs. The situation of each vertical building is almost the same. They have two party walls and two facades, one with view to the plaza or the house for artists, and the other with view to the pedestrian street and the facade of the building of the other side of the street. There were a minimum of requirements that the program of the building must include. Each resident must have a lobby, vertical circulation, common areas, laundry, diner, library, and gymnasium, commercial and housing units. In the design process, I decided that I must establish what will be the response of the building to the context, and my solution was to make that all the apartments have view to the plaza. From this main idea, I proposed a fragmented and staggered facade that leaves an emptiness in the terrain that conform a little plaza which serves as a prelude to the building entrance. In the access level, there are two commercial, a bookstore and a cyber cafe, that opens to the building's plaza and serves as transition from the public space of the street and the private space of the residents. Then we found a self-service restaurant that can be used by residential or non-residential users. Finally, the shape of the building conduces to the entrance and the lobby of the residence. The space flows to the nucleus of circulation. Each one of the next 4 levels has 3 single apartments. The upper floors are occupied by a gymnasium. A common emptiness that goes from the first floor of apartments to the roof make the spatial connection inside the building and reinforce the circulation in each level. Following the concept of opening to the plaza, the enclosures of the building are transparent in the direction of the plaza and permeable in the direction of the neighbor building. That is the reason that I chose a glass facade to the northeast and an enclosure formed of steel grids to the southeast. The social space of each apartment has a glass enclosure that allows the visual connection with the plaza. The living spaces, bedroom, and studio have view through the grids of the facade that allows the visual connection, but at the same time give privacy and protection from the sun. The support of the building is given by a frame structure made of a crosslink of columns in reinforced concrete that follows the shape of the building and help giving the sensation that the models of the apartments are floating. The building was designed to be a non-permanent residence for teachers, so the apartments are designed in the minimum space needed to satisfy the basic needing of a teacher and also give comfort. The service that this residence includes are related to the life of a teacher, and with the spatial relation I established between them, I was looking for a pleasant experience where the client feels that everything was taken into account.